In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with Hubspot. If you have a Typeform that you use to collect leads or customer information, connecting it to Hubspot lets you automatically store those responses in your CRM. This saves time and helps ensure that your data stays organized and up to date. To begin, log in to your Typeform account. Make sure you are using the account that has the form you want to connect. Once you are logged in, open the Typeform dashboard so you can see your available forms. This matters because you want to integrate the correct form, not just any form on the account. Next, open the form you want to integrate. Look through your list and select the specific Typeform that you intend to connect to Hubspot. When the form opens, confirm you are viewing the right one by checking the form name and the form content. Take a quick moment here to ensure this is the version you use for collecting responses. Now you will need to navigate to the Connect tab in the top menu. This is where Typeform collects all your third-party integrations. Click the Connect tab so the integrations options appear. From here, you can set up the connection to Hubspot and other tools you might want to use later. After you open the Connect tab, search for Hubspot in the integrations list and click Connect. Typeform usually includes an area to find integrations quickly, so use that search feature to save time. When you select Hubspot, you will see prompts that guide you through authorizing the connection. This step is important because it links Typeform and Hubspot securely. At this point, log into your Hubspot account to authorize the connection. Typeform needs permission to send the form responses into your Hubspot data. Follow the on-screen authorization flow carefully and complete it when prompted. When authorization is successful, the connection will be ready for the final setup. Once the accounts are connected, you will map your Typeform questions to the corresponding properties in your Hubspot CRM. This means you will connect each question from your form to where that answer should live in Hubspot. For example, a field like first name should go into the Hubspot contact property for first name, and an email question should map to the Hubspot email property. Mapping correctly helps you maintain clean CRM records and makes your data useful for follow-up and reporting. Take your time with this mapping step because it directly affects how Hubspot will store your responses. If a question could correspond to multiple properties, choose the one that matches the purpose of the data. If you are unsure, look at the property names shown in the Hubspot side and choose the closest match to your form question. Finally, click Activate Integration to finalize the setup. Activating the integration turns on the connection so that new Typeform responses will be sent to Hubspot according to the mapping you selected. After you activate, give it a moment to confirm the integration status updates. If the interface shows a confirmation message, check that it indicates the integration is active and ready. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to integrate Typeform with Hubspot, from connecting the accounts to mapping your questions and activating the integration.